Today we'll draw a very cute cow. Do you like this animal? It is very useful animal. It is also cute. Cows can see almost 360 degrees. Lucky for them, such a panoramic view. Cow's male is called a bull. Look how simple is this drawing. It is smiling. Time to color. Cow's milk is very nutritious and beneficial for human consumption. Drinking cow milk regularly sharpens our brain and increases immunity. Almost there. Now, tell me, what do you think about my videos? Are you enjoying this video? I would appreciate it if you choose to subscribe to support my channel. It will motivate me to work harder for you. So join us to get more videos like this from my channel. Excellent work!